Hello everyone. This is a very brief tutorial created with Blender version 4.2 on a lesser known but very useful modeling feature in edit mode called split edges and faces. This isn't an operator, but a modeling mode that allows Blender to create edges, vertices, and faces on the fly when two parts of the same mesh overlap, as I'm showing on screen. This mode is disabled by default in Blender. To activate it, switch to Edit mode, open the Options menu in the 3D viewport, and enable both the Auto Merge and Split Edges and Faces options. Specifically, the Auto Merge option automatically merges multiple vertices into a single vertex if they are in the same position, saving you the need to use Remove Doubles or Merge. The Split Edges and Faces mode can only be activated if Auto Merge is active. This mode only takes effect after being enabled, meaning it won't create new vertices if the geometries were already overlapping before activation. In this case, simply move the geometries in place with G and Enter to utilize this mode. Great, I hope this brief tutorial was helpful. See you soon.